The blower motor, red arrow, can easily be changed out. Unfortunately, you need to remove the glove box to access it. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. With the glove box removed, the first thing to do is remove the cross brace indicated by the blue arrow. Use a T20 torque and remove the 2 screws, red arrows, and remove the brace. Remove the wiring harness from the clip on the blower motor, red arrow. Squeeze in the clips, blue arrows, on the connection and separate them. Use a 6mm socket and remove the 2 screws on the lower flap on the blower motor indicated by the red arrows. Pull the flap down and the blower motor will slide down, red arrow. Make sure the harness clears the motor housing to remove the motor. The blower motor sits in grooves in the housing, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure the motor housing sits in those grooves. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.